Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concept from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 8, data stored inside object. So we are trying to follow the proper OOPS concept here, but still now again I'm trying in a beginner scene. So what beginner will try? Afterwards, what's the mistake as per the industry standards? So please watch the session number 7 and 8. So first I wrote the wrong code in a beginner end. I wrote the code. After that, as per the industry standards, what's the issues with that? This is what we are discussing in the last two sessions. In this session also we are doing the same thing. So first I will copy paste the code. Afterwards we'll discuss. Then it's easy to follow it. See here in our previous session, there is no relationship between the methods and then data members. Am I right? This is the problem we have faced. This time, what solution we are providing means data members, as usual discussed, methods are also available. Methods are also available. So as usual, I'm creating the object. Data members are here. Okay. After that, I'm initializing the value through dot operator, reference variable dot. Next, I'm printing the Redmi mobile details after calling the function display mobile specification. Last time, what you tried, we are simply passing the values through the method itself. This time, I'm not doing this. Line number 30. Before that, this class data members means where it will be stored in the class area. See here, class area, all these values are stored. Okay, all these values are stored initially. There is nothing present in that. Even this heap memory is also not created in heap memory. This Redmi object is not created. Just these three data members are here. After creating the object Redmi equal to new mobile phone, it will be present in the heap memory. Initially, now the memory looks like processor camera quality with the default value. What is that? Null 0. After creating the object only, these values are filled with the default values. Mark my word, this is important. After this, I'm initializing the value redmi dot processor. So it will directly access the redmi object. Instead of the processor null abc will be replaced. Camera quality 15 megapixel. Then what's the mobile price? 15,000. 15,000. Okay. As usual, then we are calling the function redmi.display mobile specification. Redmi.display mobile specification means it will control will be transferred from line number 36 to line number 21. Now it will print the detail processor camera quality mobile price. Processor in the sense these are the data members, instance members. So what the processor value stored? ABC camera quality 15 megapixel, mobile price 15,000. So it will be printed. Okay, it will be printed now. After that, what I'm doing, make call means this string value will be passed. The number will stores that value and then calling that number will be printed. Similarly, we can go for send text also. Similarly, you can go for send text also. This number is my sender. What message? As usual, this number and message is replaced by those values 933 or something. Message is I am Redmi. So sending text to that person and then I am Redmi will be passed. After that, again I'm creating one more object. What is it? Vivo. So initially it will get the values as null 0 while you are creating the object. I'm telling, while you're creating the object only it will get the memory. Till that it will be in the class area only. Now it will get the memory. What is that? Because of line number 41, null 0. After that I'm initializing vivo dot processor, vivo dot camera quality, vivo dot mobile price. So snapdragon, it be initialized. For previous also it will be initialized like this. How much megapixel? 16 megapixel. Mobile price, what I'm doing? 30,000. Okay. So as a beginner side, you are thinking like this. So I'm safely, I'm just initializing the value, but I'm not passing through method. Just initializing the value, accessing through method because of this instance variable data member. So first we'll run this because as a beginner you will think like this. It's not a proper OOP standard. I'm executing this now. Look at the screen, you'll get an output. Yes, but this is not a right one. I'll tell you why it is not a right one. What's problem with this? We'll discuss. See here. Again, in third method also, you are doing one blended mistake. What is that? Wait. Yeah. So what you're doing directly are initializing, guys. This is what the method one. You should not directly initialize. Actually, you're not passing through method, but what you're doing directly through object reference variable dot processor. So again, same issue. What is that? Anyone can access it. Am I right? Anyone can change it. Instead of 3,000, they will give 3 rupees. Megapixel is equal to 100 megapixel. They can change. Am I right? So advantages, so you will store the inside of the true object behavior. There is no value passing. The relationship between the object data member and then method. Am I right? There is a relationship. Now the values are updating here only. So relationship between the object and then this data members both are available now. Real world modeling also there. So this is Redmi dot processor. This is iPhone dot processor we are giving. We are not passing it in a method values. But the problem, what is that? Again, I can change the value. Am I right? Minus 5,000 or 1 rupee. I can change it. Okay. So how to avoid this? Actually, we avoided the relationship cut. Okay. In our previous example, there is no relationship between the methods and object data member. In this example, in this session, we are discussing that is object data member and methods are communicating, but what the problem means directly it is accessing. No security in that, no protection in that. Directly again we are doing the mistake as a beginner. So to avoid this, in the next session we'll discuss how to sort out this issue. Okay. If you found this video useful, then please like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.